friends, thank you for joining me today. My name is Andrea. As someone who grew up in a Chinese Vietnamese household, sometimes you just need a good bowl of jook or congee. It's a Chinese rice porridge and it's warm, comforting, and customizable to no end. We eat it on many occasions, like when we're sick or for breakfast or sometimes late at night after partying. The congee itself can come in all sorts of different textures from runny to thick. My personal favorite texture is thick and creamy and melt in your mouthy. But I'll be showing you how to make it both silky and thick today. Best of all, I'll be making it in the Instant Pot, which means it'll be super hands-off and easy, unlike the way our parents used to make it, standing over the stovetop. All right, so let's get started. First, what kind of rice should you use? You can use many different types of rice. Some recipes call for sushi rice or glutinous rice, and others suggest short grain, but we typically just use what we have on hand already, which is jasmine rice, and that's what I'm going to be using today. Okay, so now I'll show you the way that I like it first. A little bit thicker and chunkier. For this consistency, I use 1 part rice to 7 parts water. First, take the rice and wash it. I'm using half a cup here. You'll do this by adding a good amount of water to the rice, using your fingers to agitate the rice and then pour out the water. I normally only do this just once. Chefs like Ken Hum actually don't even wash the rice at all to keep as much starch to thicken the porridge. But I like to wash it to remove any impurities. Force of habit after hearing many tales of insects and other things. But the quality of rice in Canada is much better nowadays and even sometimes pre-washed. So I'm just being extra careful. Now add the rice to the Instant Pot. Next, I'm going to take 3.5 cups of water and add that to the Instant Pot as well. You could also use chicken stock or any other stock for extra flavor. That's how I normally make it when I want a more nutritious congee for baby food. Okay, now give the rice mixture a quick swirl to make sure that the rice is even and submerged. Now I'm going to put the lid on the Instant Pot, switch the valve to seal, and set the Instant Pot to pressure cook on high for 20 minutes. When the timer goes off, naturally release for 10 minutes, then manually release the rest of the pressure. Open the lid of the Instant Pot and give a stir. The congee will look runny at first, but will thicken when stirred and will continue to thicken as it cools. And here it is, friends. My portion makes about 2 servings, but please adjust this for a larger meal as necessary. Many people prefer the consistency usually served at restaurants. Something silkier with a smooth and creamy consistency. If you want that, use a ratio closer to 1 to 10 for a medium thin congee like this. Everything else is the same in terms of the cooking process. Stay tuned. I'm going to have an upcoming video sharing some ideas on how to spice up your congee. The wonderful thing about plain congee is that you can dress it up with whatever side dishes you like to completely change the flavor from bowl to bowl, or cook it differently for an entire different taste profile. Thank you again for joining me today. If you liked my video, please click the like button and let me know what you like putting in your congee. Until next time, friends. Mwah.